Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Tech Academy. In this video, we will be learning how to download the YouTube Kids application on your mobile device. To download and install the YouTube Kids application, first of all, open up your Google Play Store or your App Store depending upon your device's operating system. Now, go to the search box and type in YouTube Kids. In the search result, look for this application from Google. Now click the Get button or the Install button to start downloading the app on your device. If prompted, you'll need to authenticate with your Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password and wait for the application to begin the download and installation process. After a few minutes, the application will be installed. Once it does, tap on the Open button to launch the app. YouTube Kids is a child-friendly version of YouTube. It offers a wide range of educational and entertaining videos suitable for children. Now click the Get Started button and start off by setting up your account. And that's how you easily download and install YouTube Kids app on your smartphone. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. I'll be back in the next video. Thanks for watching.